Want to change Face ID on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily change your Face ID on iPhone. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down, you'll find the option of Face ID and passcode. Head over to this option. Enter the passcode of a device. In this page, you will see the option where it says Reset Face ID. Click on it. Now you have to tap on Set up Face ID in order for you to change it. It will open up this page. Click on Get Started to change your Face ID. Now you have to position your face within the frame. Follow the instruction that has been guided to you and then tap on Continue. Follow all the process and then your Face ID will be set up and then you'll be good to go. This is simply how you can change your Face ID on iPhone. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.